iPad Mini 4 display assembly repair. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, suction cup, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, power down your 4th generation iPad mini tablet, apply heat to the top corner of the iPad Mini 4 to soften the adhesive. Use the suction cup and precision knife to create separation between the display assembly and rear case. Insert a plastic triangle opening tool and start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply firm, constant force and additional heat. The iPad 4 mini display assembly is a much tighter fit than most devices and is held down with a good amount of adhesive. With the adhesive softened, our tried and true method of suction cup and triangle opening tools will prevail. The display assembly is still connected to the iPad by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. Remove the metal bracket and disconnect the battery, LCD, and digitizer ribbon cables. Release the ZIF connector. And carefully slide out the home button assembly cable. The home button bracket is held in place with 2 gobs of adhesive. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use a combination of the spudger and tweezers to pry up the home button cable and remove the home button assembly and bracket from the front panel. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.fixeasy.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.